Mia? Miss Carter? I cannot see anyone from my group anywhere.
Stay calm, sweetheart. I work here, and I can help you. Can you tell me your teacher's name and where you last saw your class?
Her name is Miss Carter. I last saw them near the dinosaur hall.
We will go to the help desk and call your teacher right now.
Okay. I should have stayed with my group from the beginning.
Today is your school trip, Leo, so stay close to your teacher.
I know, Dad, but I am too excited to see the dinosaurs.
Remember the rules, Leo. Stay with the group and listen carefully today.
I will, Mia. I just want to see everything inside the museum.
If you feel lost, stay calm and ask a safe adult for help.
Okay, Dad. I will remember, but I will not get lost today.
Before we leave, everyone must stay close to the group today.
I understand, Miss Carter. I will stay close when we visit the museum.
Leo, sit down and keep your backpack under the seat, please.
Okay, Mia, but I want the window seat to see everything.
When we arrive, please wait for me before leaving the bus.
Yes, Miss Carter. I will wait, then follow the group.
Stay in line, everyone, and keep your backpacks close to you.
Wow, this museum is huge. I cannot wait to see the dinosaurs.
Please follow the group carefully because the museum has many rooms.
I understand, Miss Carter, but everything inside looks so exciting today.
Our first stop is the dinosaur hall, but we must walk slowly together.
Dinosaurs are my favorite, Miss Carter. I promise I will walk slowly. That dinosaur skeleton is huge! I want to see it closer right now.
You may look closely, Leo, but you must stay with the group.
Mia, look at these fossils. They look like real dinosaur teeth.
They are amazing, Leo, but our group is starting to move again. Everyone, please follow me to the next exhibit and stay close together.
Just one more second, please. I want to remember this fossil.
Leo, Miss Carter is already walking. Please come with us now.
Okay, I am coming, but that fossil was really amazing.
Walk with your partner, everyone. The space room is our next stop.
The lights look amazing, Miss Carter. It feels like real outer space. Mia, those planets are spinning. I want to watch them for longer.
They are beautiful, Leo, but our group is moving to the rocket display. Please stay behind the line and look at the rocket from here.
It is so tall. I feel like I could fly inside it. Why do astronauts wear such big suits when they go outside?
The suit gives them air and protects their bodies from extreme cold. The rocket needs powerful engines to push up against Earth's gravity.
Wow, the countdown sound makes it feel like a real launch. Is that dark rock really from space, or is it just stone?
It is a meteorite. It traveled through space before reaching Earth.
Do people in mission control talk to astronauts during a real trip?
Yes, they send messages, check the rocket, and help astronauts stay safe.
Is this little robot driving on Mars like a tiny astronaut?
It is a rover. Rovers explore Mars and send pictures to Earth.
Why does the rover move slowly if it has strong wheels?
Scientists send careful commands from Earth so the rover moves safely.
The rover's camera helps scientists find rocks and choose a safe path. That flashing button looks important. It might reveal something hidden. The rover's camera helps scientists find rocks and choose a safe path. That flashing button looks important. It might reveal something hidden. How do scientists know so much from old dinosaur bones?
Bones and fossils are clues. They help scientists understand ancient life.
How can scientists know what dinosaurs ate so many years ago?
Their teeth give clues. Sharp teeth cut meat, and flat teeth crush plants. Our dinosaur lesson is finished. Next, we will visit the discovery room.
This hallway is so big, every door looks exciting and mysterious.
Welcome to the discovery room, where children explore light, sound, and motion. Thank you. This room looks wonderful, and the children will enjoy learning here. This prism separates white light into many beautiful colors.
So white light is hiding rainbow colors inside it?
Yes, Ben. The prism bends the light and spreads the colors apart.
That is amazing. I never knew one light could hold many colors. If light can change, can sound move things too?
Yes, sound is vibration, and vibration can move through the air. Watch the beads. The sound waves make the air vibrate around them.
It looks like the sound is dancing right on the table.
Sound made the beads move. Now we will test motion with this ramp.
If the ramp is higher, will the ball move faster?
Yes, a higher ramp gives the ball more energy, so it rolls faster.
So gravity pulls it down and the ball gains speed?
Yes, gravity pulls it down, and the ball gains more speed.
Whoa! It hit the soft target like a tiny rocket.
Funny surprises still teach scientists something new about experiments.
I like that. Science can be smart and funny at the same time. Is that dinosaur shadow real, or is something hiding behind the wall?
Do not worry, Leo. It is only a shadow from our light experiment. The light shines behind this cutout, so the wall shows a dinosaur shape.
That is funny. I was scared of a paper dinosaur. Did that little robot just turn on by itself? Explorer mission ready. Follow the blue light to begin. Is this a real mission? It looks like a secret museum game. Follow the blue path slowly, young explorer. The next door is waiting. The door opened. Is the next clue inside this blue tunnel?
Explorer clue detected. Enter slowly and look for the glowing star.
It is very quiet in here. Where's the glowing star clue?
Move forward, young explorer. The glowing star is just ahead.
I see the glowing star. Is this the next mission clue? Correct, young explorer. Find the next light. Signal getting weak. Wait, what does weak signal mean? Are you still helping me? Connection fading. Follow the next blue light. Mission continues. The next light is farther away. Should I keep going? Final clue. Ahead, turn left. Connection lost. Robot? Hello? The blue light is fading, and I cannot hear you. Maybe I should go back, but which way did I come from? Dad said to stay calm and ask a safe adult for help. I will not run. I will look for someone who works here. Excuse me, I think I am lost. I cannot find my class.
You did the right thing, Leo. Stay with me, and I will help. What is your teacher's name, and where did you last see your class?
Her name is Miss Carter. I was near the Discovery Room and Blue Tunnel.
I will call Miss Carter now, then we will walk to the help desk.
Will she be angry? I only thought it was a museum mission.
No, Leo. Miss Carter will be glad you asked us a safe adult for help.
Okay. I feel better now. Please take me to the help desk.
The help desk is just around the corner. We will walk there together.
Thank you. I can hear people again, so I feel safer now.
We are at the help desk now. I will call Miss Carter.
Okay. I will wait here and stay close to you.
Miss Carter, this is the help desk. We found Leo, and he is safe. Please come to the help desk near the main hallway. Leo, I am so glad you are safe. Are you okay?
I am okay. I followed a robot mission and got confused.
You made a mistake, Leo, but you asked a safe adult for help.
Next time, I will ask first and stay with the group. Leo, I was so worried when I could not see you. I am sorry, Mia. I followed the robot mission and got lost. Next time, no secret missions without telling me or a teacher. I promise. Even robots need adult permission before missions now.
The class is waiting near the exit. We will go back together.
Okay. My next mission is simple. Stay together and eat lunch. Did the robot give you a lunch mission too? No. My only mission now is staying with the group. Then I am your mission partner until we reach the bus. Good. You are better than a robot with a weak signal. Thank you for helping me when I did not know where to go.
You were brave, Leo. Safe mission complete. The bus is waiting outside. We will walk there together now.
Good. My final mission is finding my seat and staying there. Mission complete, Leo. You found your seat, and stayed in it. This is my best mission because I know exactly where I am.
You remembered your dad's rule and asked a safe adult for help.
Dad will be proud. My safety mission worked. It worked better than the robot. You should tell Dad his rule helped you stay safe today. I will. He may laugh about the robot, but he will be proud. Dad, I got lost at the museum, but I remembered your rule.
I am proud of you, Leo. You stayed calm and asked for help. The real mission is staying safe, not walking away alone.
I understand, Dad. Next time, I will ask first and stay close.